Happy Friday, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great start to the school year. We have a lot of exciting things going on. I wanted to touch base with you on a few things that could be helpful and beneficial and resources that you have available. And some of these that we have utilized before, some of them might be new. So the first one that I want to show you is on the Frontenac High School homepage. So to submit an anonymous report, if you see anything, have any questions or suspicions of anything going on, you can click right here. And anonymous report means just that. Name is not required, email is not required, but any of these things that you have concerns about for yourself, a classmate, a friend, a family member, anything like that, you can go through all of the situation and any additional information for us to look into that would be helpful. So any of that information could be submitted anonymously. Always, 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 if you're at home or if there's a situation that you feel like needs immediate assistance, call 911, get a trusted adult immediately. Next part I want to show you is under the Students tab. If you go to the Students tab and you go down to FHS Counselor, from here, my site's a little bit sad. Here is a bullying incident form that you can submit, and that goes directly to me. It is just that it is a Google form, and this information could be submitted in class, and you can send straight to me, so that way all of the information is there. This is a good documentation process as well, so that way we have for sure what has been going on. Also from here, you can make an appointment. So if you need to talk to me about, you have a question on a class, something's going on, and it's not a right now emergency, you can click on make an appointment. From here, it redirects you to my calendar page. You know it's me because there's all my stuff. And then it goes through any date and time that I'm available. So first appointment starts at 8 o'clock, last one is at 3:15. So if it's grayed out like this, that means I'm not available. So I have meetings and workshops and that sort of stuff already scheduled, or I'm in classrooms. So let's say you wanted to talk to me quickly about a schedule, or you're having a conflict with a teacher or another student. So you click on a time, you enter in your name, first name, last name, and then you can select, most of the time 15 minutes, but you can select up to 1 hour. Topic to discuss. So if it is a classmate, if it is a schedule, if it is something going on at home, if you have questions about a career or college, click that. Prove that you are a human and confirm booking. This will then redirect you. It will add it to your calendar. It will send you an email that you have posted it. It will send me an email. Then whenever it comes time for that, I'll get a notification. So you're scheduling this for Tuesday at 10 o'clock. Tuesday at 9:50, I will get a notification reminding that I need to call you out. So if you have an appointment, I will call you out of class. That's important to know because there are some times where emergency situations come up or something has happened beforehand and I'm not able to get with you even though you have an appointment. So please don't leave the classroom until I have called out and inform that. Make sure that you're not doing it on a testing day or a class that you cannot miss, that sort of thing. So that is how you make an appointment. If it is something that is an emergency that we need to discuss right then and there, you or someone you know is having a major issue, considering self-harm, any of those issues, you need to get in touch with me or another trusted adult immediately. So that is not a book an appointment for. This is something that can wait. There are situations that cannot wait and we need to discuss them right then and there. Also on the counselor site is some information on the ACT. So that will be updated. Also up here is enrollment guide. So the electronic enrollment guide for pre-enrollment forms that we used in the spring, student aid application, and the copy of the enrollment guide with all of the classes and prereqs and everything like that is on here. So you have all of that you can utilize at your fingertips. Also from the homepage later on, there might be videos posted here. So if you're looking for applying, if you're looking at different things, they will be included on there. So again, Frontenac homepage, students, FHS counselor. I hope that's helpful. And if you need anything else, just let me know. See ya.